he takes off on me, I'll catch up to him real quick.
From that day forward, wherever I was going, I was running.
I know we have a good mom and my good daddy. Can I go inside?
After you learn how to ride.
No.
What?
Sleeping outside.
Alex, just try.
Let's try it.
Try one more time. He's 5. And Kasey, the first time, Kasey didn't even want that. He just took off. Come on, Alex. You want me to show you how you ride good? Look. Can you touch the ground well
Get off my butt.
Alex,
Carter, he'll do it when he's ready. It's not a race.
I can even ride it with my butt off the seat.
What? Show me.
stand up.
Careful.
Because your butt's on the seat right now, Kasey.
When Alex learns to ride too, we should go for a walk, all of us.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We'll go to the peninsula.
Do you have a bike, Daddy?